It's not funny to judge or to stare. If I was in your position, I wouldn't dare to live a life that is battered and bruised, manipulated and confused by our society, our health system. I know loved ones who are gone and I sure miss them. Me dying isn't your choice, the decision is mine. Being terminally ill is a pretty good sign. Life is coming to an end, that's fine, and I'm ready to be free. Don't jump in my last few days with your opinions and plea. Why must I go on, living and feeling agony? Why should I care if others felt mad at me? This is my life, let me live or die if need be. It's so easy for you to say, no, but try being me. Why should you make a law against my choice that doesn't affect you? Try living a month, walking in my shoe. Being mean and hateful and throwing up signs doesn't matter to me because of the peace I will find. Ask them, ask me. Wouldn't life be better lived peacefully? Quality of life is an important thing. Living with treatment and pain is disgusting. Driving in cars, people die every day. When it's time I choose to go, you try to give me another way. I'm done living scared and worried. I have no fear of dying or being buried. This is what I choose to do and feel. This pain isn't fake, it's incredibly real. My family and I will be separated, and that's what we have decided. Whether it's a car wreck or a shooting, why do you care how we are divided? I know where I stand, and I will leave God to judge. But how are you any better when you hold on to a grudge? I'm sorry if this offends you, I have to do this for myself. It's better than life in pain and staring at medicines on a shelf. Please don't feel remorse or sorrow. Today is a day I choose to not see tomorrow. Only some places allow this is true. But what if this happens to you? Would you want to have to move and deal with the press, only to see and cause your family more unneeded stress? This should be allowed. I should be able to choose. I'm finding my happy place, a warm, everlasting cruise. I know you are confused about what I am doing, but keep your opinions to your thoughts to yourself that are brewing. This needs to be legal with certain rules and laws. Kids underage need to be signed off by ma's and pa's. Terminally ill is clearly defined. Please let's settle our differences and let me leave this world behind.